Some of the greatest discoveries in history didn't come from careful planning, but from accidents. From tasty treats to life-saving medicines. Today we're exploring 10 amazing inventions that were discovered completely by chance and how they changed our world forever. Number 1. Penicillin. In 1928, Alexander Fleming returned to his messy laboratory after a vacation. What he saw shocked him. Mold had contaminated one of his petri dishes, but strangely, the bacteria around it had been destroyed. Instead of tossing it out, he investigated further and discovered penicillin, the world's first true antibiotic. This accident has since saved millions of lives and changed modern medicine forever. And to think, it all started with a messy dish of mold. Isn't it strange? Number 2. I'm sure you would have tried it at least once. Yes, potato chips. Back in 1853, a chef named George Crumb was annoyed by a picky customer who kept sending back his fried potatoes, saying they were too thick. Out of frustration, Crumb sliced the potatoes paper thin, fried them until crispy, and drowned them in salt. Surprisingly, the customer loved them. And just like that, potato chips were born. A billion-dollar snack industry today, all thanks to an irritated chef. Number 3. Microwave oven. In the 1940s, Percy Spencer, an engineer working with radar technology, noticed something odd. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted while he was standing near a magnetron, a device that emits microwaves. Curious, he experimented by placing popcorn kernels next to it. They popped instantly. That happy accident led to the invention of the microwave oven, which now sits in almost every kitchen around the world. No doubt this is such a useful invention. Stay tuned because next one is big surprise. Number 4. Coca-Cola. Did you know Coca-Cola was originally invented as medicine? Are you shocked? Me too. In 1886, pharmacist John Pemberton was trying to create a cure for headaches. Instead, he came up with a sweet syrup that, when mixed with carbonated water, tasted amazing. Accident or not, people loved it. Coca-Cola went on to become one of the most popular drinks in human history. Number 5. Velcro inspired by Dog's Walk. Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral went on a hunting trip with his dog. In 1941, when they died, he noticed burrs clinging stubbornly to his dog's fur. Intrigued, he looked at them under a microscope and saw tiny hooks that latched onto loops in fabric and fur. This inspired him to create Velcro, the hook and loop fastener we use in clothes, bags, shoes, and even spacesuits. Number 6. Popsicles. A kid's frozen mistake. In 1905, an 11-year-old boy named Frank Epperson accidentally left a cup of soda powder, water, and a stirring stick outside overnight during winter. By morning, it had frozen solid. Years later, he patented his creation, the popsicle. Today, millions of people enjoy this frozen treat, all thanks to a child's happy mistake. Number 7. X-rays, glowing screens in the dark. In 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays when he noticed something strange. A nearby fluorescent screen began to glow, even though it was covered. Curious, he placed his wife's hand in front of the rays and saw her bones appear on the screen. He had just discovered X-rays, revolutionizing medicine and diagnostics forever. This discovery of him is truly life-changing, isn't it? Share your thoughts in comments. Number 8. Post-it notes, glue that didn't stick. In the 1960s, a scientist at 3 a.m. named Spencer Silver was trying to create a super-strong adhesive. Instead, he ended up with one that was weak and easily removable. At first, it seemed useless, until another colleague thought of using it on paper bookmarks. And just like that, the Post-it note was born. Today, it's a staple in offices and schools worldwide. Number 9. This might be your favorite snack. Are you curious? Chocolate chip cookies, a baking mishap. In the 1930s, Ruth Wakefield, owner of the Toll House Inn, was baking cookies when she ran out of baking chocolate. She substituted broken pieces of regular chocolate, expecting them to melt. Instead, they stayed chunky, giving birth to the first chocolate chip cookie, one of the world's favorite desserts. Do you like chocolate chip cookies? Comment below. Last but not least, number 10. Safety glass. The dropped flask. In 1903, a French scientist named Edouard Benedictus dropped a glass flask coated with plastic. To his surprise, it cracked but didn't shatter. That accident inspired him to develop safety glass, which is now used in car windshields and countless products to protect us daily. Now it's time for a little quiz. Can you tell who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Can you tell name of invention that was originally invented as medicine? Coca-Cola. How old was Frank Epperson when he discovered popsicle? 11 years old. Who was Wilhelm Röntgen? German physicist who discovered X-ray. How many answers did you get right? Comment below. So what do potato chips, X-rays, Velcro, and chocolate chip cookies all have in common? These accidents shape the way we eat, work, travel, and even survive. Next time something goes wrong, remember, you might just be on the edge of the next world-changing invention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from history, science, and everyday life. Who knows? You might even stumble upon the next big idea yourself.